How to add devices in DJ. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add different devices. First of all, open the application. Now here on the top, you can see this yellow like icon. Simply tap on this yellow like icon. So on the bottom, there's an option called MIDI. Simply tap on MIDI. And now here, there's a section called Bluetooth devices. So simply tap on connect Bluetooth controller. Now first, you must turn on your Bluetooth device, and here you'll be able to connect it easily. So mainly loudspeakers and different type of Bluetooth devices will be connected easily. So you'll be able to plug in and connect it with other devices and play your DJ. So it's quite easy to connect. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.